Dropped my apple, as you can see, and it's pretty bitten up already. I decided for We Are Bored episode 3, I'm gonna smash this apple to bits. First hit, second hit, third hit. Counting as 4 hits. I don't know how many hits I got so far. I feel like I'm losing. So far left of it. Let's keep on hitting. Just keep on hitting from the other side. Hey guys, guess what? First person shoot. There we go. Nice slice. Oh, there's apple juice on the camera. Oh, sweet. That's what's left of my apple, guys. My station. Thank you guys for watching We Are Bored episode 3. Bye.